Good morning to everyone. This is Sai Jansi from final year BTech of ECE department. Our project guide is B. Pradeep Kumar sir, ME, PhD, Assistant Professor at ECE department. Our team members are G. Pushpanjali, STL Saiti, and N. Shiva. The title of our project is A Voice Control Pick and Place Robot using Android application. It has always been a dream to a human being to create a machine that behaves like a human. Recognizing the speech signal and responding according to it is an important part of this dream. With the improvement of technologies and research on artificial intelligence, this dream has come true. Controlling the machine and environment with speech makes human life easier and more comfortable. Our robot picks an object from source and places it at the destination when voice instructions is given. So our project is a simple implementation of this approach. Speech is the best way of communication of people. We generally born with the skill of speaking and learn it from our early childhood. By the development of communication technologies in the last era, speech starts to be an important interface in many streams. Instead of using many complex interfaces, speech is the best way to communicate a computer.
There are so many occasions where the human can't work. In such situations, without a considerable amount of safety precautions, like in the disposal of audacious registers, remote handling of explosive devices is very impossible. So, the robots can safely work in the hazardous and risky conditions for the ensuring of human safety and replacing the human work effort. The major problem we are going to discuss is it is very difficult problem for physically handicapped person to move around to their day-to-day works. Our project is slightly made them to do their work without any effort.
Limitations of existing system. Though there are various automated robots to pick and place an object from source to destination using different technologies, still there are many challenges that needs to be addressed, and some of them are: first one, singular voice recognition, means the system which operates only by single person. Second one, low data transmission rate. Third one, high susceptibility to noise.
To overcome all the limitations in the existing system, we designed a robot that works by a voice command. Our robot is able to recognize voice commands and move according to it. To give a direction to the robot, first the voice instruction is given to the Android phone. The Android phone recognizes the voice command by speech recognition system, and then the Android converts the voice command into a direction command that is pre-installed and recognized by the robot. When the robot gets the direction command, it moves according to the spoken command. Some more features of our project is it's a multi-voice recognition such that any person can operate our robot with their voice commands. And it is designed with a soft gripper so that no extra pressure is suspected on the object. And its coverage area is better than the existing system.
second one Bluetooth module HC05, third one DC motor drive L298D, fourth one DC motor, fifth one power supply, sixth one LCD display, seventh one robotic arm and so on.
Arduino is an open source platform consists of both physical circuit board and a piece of software or IDE, integrated development environment. The Arduino does not need a separate piece of hardware in order to load new code onto the board. You can simply connect a USB cable to load a program. Finally, Arduino provides a standard form of factor that break out the function of the microcontroller into a more accessible package. Arduino UNO includes everything required to hold up the microcontroller. Simply attach it to the PC with the help of USB cable and give the supply to get start with the battery. This slide shows some of the specifications of Arduino UNO. Bluetooth is a technology for wireless communication. It is designed to replace cable connections. Bluetooth communicates with microcontroller using serial port. It is a short-range wireless communication to exchange documents. It uses 2.4 GHz frequency band. The communication can be point-to-point or multi-point, but the maximum range is 10 meters. The transfer rate of the data is 1 Mbps speed. HC05 Bluetooth module provides switching mode between master and slave mode, which means it is able to use neither receiving nor transmitting data. This slide shows some of the specifications of HC05 Bluetooth module. L298 motor driver controller board is a low-cost module. It allows controlling the speed and direction of two DC motors simultaneously or one bipolar stepper motor. This module is equipped with 16-pin STLN298 chip that accepts standard TTL logic with strong driving ability, low heat, strong anti-interference ability. This slide shows some of the specifications of L298 motor driver IC. A 16:2 LCD display is very basic module and very most commonly used in most devices. The module are preferred over 7-segment and multi-segment LCDs. The reason behind are economical, easily programmable, and no limitations of displaying special and even custom character. The 16:2 LCD display means it can display 16 characters per line, and there are 2 such lines. In this LCD, each character is displayed in 5x7 pixel matrix. It has 16 pins and 2 registers, namely command and data. The command register stores the command instructions and data register stores the data to be displayed on the LCD.
Now I am going to explain block diagram of our project. The power supply of the robot is switched on. The voice instructions to robot are given through a smartphone or Android device using Android application. This application sends this voice or audio signal through Bluetooth device, which is received by Bluetooth receiver kit on the robot, which then sends decoded audio signal to the Arduino. This Arduino compares this signal to its program and accordingly decides motor action to move the robot.
For example, a forward command is given at Android application. The Android phone converts the voice command into a direction command and sends the signal to the Bluetooth receiver unit. The Bluetooth receiver unit then sends the signal to the Arduino UNO. The Arduino UNO compares the received command with the commands which is pre-programmed in it. Then it decides the action of the motor. In our case, it is forward. So the Arduino UNO enables the vehicle driver unit. So the robot moves in forward direction.
To give the instruction of the voice command of a robot, we need an Android application called Arduino Voice Control, which is available in Play Store.
Go to the Play Store and install Arduino Voice Control app for giving instructions to our robot. This is the first screen appeared after installing the app. Click Connect on the top left for connecting our Bluetooth device with Android application. Search for our respective Bluetooth device name and tap on it for pairing of Bluetooth receiver unit with our Android application. This is the screen appeared after pairing of Bluetooth. Now save the commands which we installed in Arduino. When we say some voice command, it decoded and sends the signal to the Bluetooth receiver unit for the action of the robot.
Forward. Back. Right. Left. Stop. Forward. Stop. Back. Stop. Back. Stop. Right.
The advantages of our project is these robots are faster and can get the work done in seconds compared to human competitors. They are flexible and have the operator design. Movement of the robot is precise and accurate. User friendly, affordable price, low power consumption.
Applications of our project. It is used as substitute of hand for physically challenged persons. It can be used to defuse bombs in war fields. It can be used for disposal of hazardous wastes. It can be used for remote handling of explosive devices and material handling.
The future scope of our project is we can extend our project to advanced application by increasing its range using Zigbee technology. And we can extend our project to design a full-fledged robot that do more complex tasks.